students only have a few months of classes before summer break, but one of our viewers is concerned that her son's backpack is getting heavier and heavier as the year goes on. I turned to Dr. Kenneth with Modern Spine to find out if children can suffer permanent damage from that daily heavy load. Our viewer Trentia is very concerned about her child and his backpack. She says she sees him actually struggling every day as he lugs at home. Is that really a concern for someone who's really young?
No, I think, these days kids carry a lot of things in their backpacks, textbooks, laptops, sports gear. So I think a lot of parents are sometimes concerned that their children may develop scoliosis, and for the most part, that should not happen. Most of the times they may have a strain or a sprain just from carrying it improperly. So there's some things that can be done to help alleviate those muscle strains.
What are some ideas?
Well, some ideas are obviously to have the right backpack. Make sure that the child wears the backpack with two straps instead of just one strap.
Now, kids think that's not cool, but they need to do that, right?
Unfortunately, yes. A lot of times it's not, the cool thing to do, but it will help, the kids from straining one way or the other. Obviously, these backpacks these days have a lot of pockets, so try to distribute the materials not just in one area, but kind of all over the pack. And so those are some helpful things that children can do to help avoid pain in their back or neck.
So they're not like someone who's older who could really strain their back and maybe have a long-term effect and an injury from it. It's just something that might hurt at the moment.
Correct, not long-term. In fact, the greatest risk probably is just falling. So if a child, imagine an 80-year-old child carrying a 40-pound book bag, there could be a chance that they could fall and injure themselves.
I'm sure this is going to be very reassuring to her. Thank you for your help.
Of course, my pleasure.
The American Occupational Therapy Association suggests a student's backpack weigh no more than 15% of his body weight. I'll ask the doctor a question for you too. Just send me a message on Facebook. Go to Melissa Wilson Fox 26 or Twitter, search @Melissa Fox 26.